Hello guys, welcome to Cooking with Muldeshwar. My name is Kshitij Muldeshwar and this is my brother who's today's chef.
Siddhan Murdeshwar.
And today we are going to be making marshmallows. Let's proceed.
For sugar syrup, we need 250 grams of sugar and 120 milliliters of water. For gelatin mixture, we need 30 grams of gelatin and 120 milliliters of water. And this cornflour is just for dusting. You can use I'm using ice cream essence here. You can use any essence that you like. And also say the same thing goes with the food color. For gelatin mixture, we'll add the gelatin in a bowl and also add the water in. And now whisk it well. For syrup, we're going to light up the stove on low flame. Okay, then we are gonna add the sugar in, and then the water. And then we are gonna stir it until it has attained the consistency of 2 strings. See, the sugar has melted, but still keep on stirring till it has 2-string consistency. And keep in mind, everything should be on low flame. So if you do it on high, your marshmallows will not taste very good and the texture will be bad. Give the 2-string consistency, as you can see here. And now we're gonna add the gelatin mixture. And now we're going to stir it. Keep in mind the gas should be on low flame and stir it. It in our mixture, and now we're going to slowly blend it till we've added it hot. Okay, so now we're gonna blend it till it changes its color. And gradually increase the speed. And also add your vanilla essence. And as you can see, it's getting a bit fluffy now. And it has changed its color as well. Properly butter greased container, and add half of the mixture you have. Okay. Okay. Now we're just gonna make it so that this is full. Okay, and then we're gonna add our food color in the mixture, and add your food color into it. And now blend it. What a beautiful color. Add our remaining mixture. Okay. Almost there. Edges are covered. And now we're just gonna pop these air bubbles, as we don't want them because they'll ruin our marshmallow texture. So just take your time popping them. and we have to act fast now that the gelatin has started taking action. Keep this mixture for 4 hours in room temperature, not in the fridge. After letting it rest for 4 hours, the good indicator to know whether it's ready or not is to see if the sides are separating from the box. As you can see, the sides are separating, so it is ready. So now we're gonna take it out of the tin or box. But before we do that, we're gonna dust it with some corn flour. And we're gonna also dust the mat and the marshmallows. And now we're gonna take them out of the tin. Now we're going to cut the marshmallows. So for this, I'm going to call my brother. Hey bro, can you come here? Funny.
So now we are gonna dust the knife with some corn flour. Okay, just rub it up a little bit. And so we are rubbing it with corn flour because the marshmallow will start sticking, and we don't want that. So now what we do is we start cutting it into square pieces. Okay, so I'm gonna first cut it into stripes, and then I'm gonna cut it into cubes. Okay. Okay. So now that this is done, we'll just line them together and chop them into cubes. Okay. So guys, please try this recipe at home and let us know in the comments like how it went for you. And yeah, so as you can see, you're gonna cut them into cubes, and I'm gonna ask Siddhant to dust them and put them in the bowl. Okay, so can you? Okay, so as you can see, the marshmallows are perfectly cut, a little bit sticky, and yeah, so overall it's like great texture and quite fluffy. So now we are going to put these marshmallows in the bowl. So the bowl is now full of marshmallows, and we'll just taste one right now. They're actually very fluffy and really soft. The texture is great and the color is so amazing. Now let me just taste one. That's so good. So please leave a like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Okay, and happy Diwali guys, and bye.